So we have seen all the view components right now, and the next component we are going to see is the toolbar, which is a very important widget into the Android application. So I have just drag and drop the toolbar here. Okay, and now this toolbar will be for multiple use, and there are different kind of behaviors for these toolbars, different types of behaviors for different types of toolbars. So from Android Lollipop version, Lollipop API, toolbar has become the essential components for the Android material design. So there are multiple benefits for the toolbar. Just like action bar, we can use toolbar also. Now what is action bar? See, generally in our layout you see some top bar. Okay, in any of the application, even you must have seen top bar, into which you will find the application name and some icons like back button or some options icons or any other icons. You will find it here, right? So that top bar is nothing but the action bar. Okay, and right now the kind of layout we are using is not for action bar. Okay, so whenever I'm running my application, it is not showing any action bar. Okay, so here my app, see, for example, in my manifest I have declared one theme. So let's check what theme it is. So this is no action bar theme. Okay, this is no action bar theme. If I declare it as action bar theme, by default my layout will show me action bar. So let's check it out here. Here you can set as light. Okay, and now you see this toolbar. If I remove this toolbar, there will be an action bar. If I run this application, there will be an action bar here. Let's try to check some dark action bar. Okay, now even this layout have action bar, but it is not showing here because we need to run that application. Okay, so that action bar, it will show you if you declare this layout as the action bar layout. Okay, but right now we have no action bar layout, so that is why it is showing the toolbar, which we have included as a widget into our screen. Okay, now this is my app layout. Okay, now in toolbar you have as you can see, we have background attribute, we have minimum height, and we have theme. Okay, so this theme is nothing but the action bar theme, right? This theme is nothing but action bar theme. That means this toolbar will act like action bar only. Whatever colors they have given to action bar, whatever behavior we have for action bar, we have the same for toolbar also. Okay, now there are two ways we can use toolbar into our application. One, we will use this as a toolbar, standalone toolbar, or we can use this as, or we can extend this toolbar as an action bar, so that the behavior of this toolbar will change into action bar. Okay, now let's try to create something into this toolbar. So let's try to add few names and few elements into the toolbar. But right now what I will do is I will open this tag for toolbar, and I will close this like this, and now I will write text view. Okay, and into the text view I can write this height as a match parent, because the toolbar height is hard coded. See here, minimum height is hard coded. Okay, or the theme is also set as a toolbar height, so I can add this text. So I will add the text and I will write my app. Okay, my demo app. Text color text size I will write 18 sp. Text style will be bold. Okay, and gravity will be center. Okay, so I have added this as the text here. Now let me add one image view. Okay, and width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, and src. Now I can add this icon also, and I can add other icon also. Let me change the size of this icon, as it is occupying too much of space, which is not correct. Okay, and let me change my height to 50 dp. Okay, now it is correct. And I will scale type as center. Okay, now this is my app, and into that toolbar I have added one text and I have added one icon. Now let me add other components into this layout. So I will add button. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, text will be button 1, and margin dp. Okay, now I will copy this button, I'll paste it 3 times. Okay, now let's run the application and see how it looks into the real-time app. So our application has started, and if you can see, this is how it is showing me my action bar, right? So now this we have used as a toolbar. And we can use this as an action bar. Now the difference is nothing but the behavior. In some applications you will find that the behavior is different, not in small application but in a real-time application. I will show you in some other videos whenever we are going to do some live project. I will show you how action bar and toolbar works. So right now I will show you the technique to set it as a action bar. So toolbar, find view by id, r.id toolbar2. Okay, and set supporting action bar, and I will write toolbar. Okay, now okay, so required type is Android X app Comcat widget toolbar, and we have used different kind of okay, what is the requirement here? Provided Android widget toolbar. Okay, so this class we have included wrong, and now it works fine. Okay, so let me run this app, and our app is running now, and as you can see there is no much difference here. as toolbar and action bar are same here, but if you can observe, we have some shadow here. This looks a little bit on the front side because it is acting as an action bar right now. Okay, so the main the observable difference will be in some other application that I will show you, but this is how toolbar works. And also you can create multiple toolbars layouts, and then you can include according to your requirement. So for example, if this activity needs this kind of toolbar, so create one layout and include it here. So let's just try to create one layout, and I will write layout underscore toolbar underscore 1. Okay, and I will just try to copy paste this code. I will just copy the toolbar part and here pasted, and here I need to write this statement. Okay, so here you have one toolbar, and now you can include this and you can use it as a toolbar. Okay, you can include various types of toolbar according to your needs. So for example, I have used layout underscore 1. In other screen, maybe you can use another type of toolbar, for example layout underscore toolbar underscore 2, or layout underscore toolbar underscore with image or without image, or whatever you can write it. So you have chance to declare this toolbar as a different and custom entity, and then you can set it as action bar also using this code set supporting action bar. Okay, so to use the toolbar there are multiple various ways. So for example, in palette, if you can see, there is a layout which is app bar layout, or bottom app bar layout, or navigation view layout, or toolbar, or material toolbar. So these different kind of layouts, they use toolbars. I mean, the use of toolbar is crucial for these layouts, and currently in any application, in real-time applications, toolbar is a very crucial part or very crucial widget, because see, it provides you different kind of data. So for example, if your options are overflowing, you can show a menu here, you can show a menu in action bar. So to show that menu in action bar as a default parameter, or you can show a back button here. So many of the applications have back button. Okay, options also, or the screen name. So for example, if you are on a register screen or login screen, you can show that name here. Or suppose if you log in and if you go to the dashboard on any screen, you can see your image here, and you can see settings and other information and your information. So toolbar plays very crucial role, and you can set the behavior also. So if you want your entire screen to scroll, but you don't want your toolbar to be scrolled, you want it fixed, then you can keep it also. Okay, so there are multiple things toolbar can be used for, and toolbar plays very crucial role into the real-time applications. So let's check for other widgets now into the next video.